Okay, Assalamu alaikum. So in the last class we have discussed about need of security, like how we have seen that what is the need for security to maintain confidentiality, integrity, availability and authenticity. Today we'll be discussing about security threats and attacks. The very first is your operator error. Operator error is also called as your human error, which is being made, the mistakes which is being made by the human involvement. Like basically, one might think that how a person can make a mistake. It might be like, for example, if you can see a new person which has been recruited into the organization, not having much knowledge about the company's policies and about the company, so might like may made an entry, wrong entry, or have made a wrong upgradation of data. So that, like, that could be a mistake made by a human, and that is the reason it is called as human error, which is a combination of inintention and non-conformance and conformance, and like it is an error which is made by a human being. Okay, like here the operator make this error, and the operator over here, it is a person or a human. Okay, the next threat or attacks of the security could be like here by with the help of human means. The like a security can be ruined, and the other could be the hardware malfunction. Hardware malfunction could be like nowadays it is becoming more and more infrequent, into the computer technology, which must be improved, and these problems which are occurring more occasionally into the computers. Okay, so here this hardware malfunction is it could be any hardware failure because of the electrical power or telecommunication networks which provide the infrastructure needed by a computerized system. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि the computer systems are being being harmed, or like it is being destroyed because of the electrical power and telecommunication networks. Again, it is in security threat. The software bugs, as I told you in the last class, we were discussing about the bugs. Like basically software bug is an error or a fault which is a computer program that cause it, it is being produced by incorrect results. यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, when you are having this kind of insecurity threat into your computer, what happens, your computer start freezing, or it do not operate like smoothly as it used to be. Okay, because of this software bugs, which is basically which gives you the incorrect result of your information. Okay, so this bugs which at the end, what it does is it creates the freezing of your computers. Okay, now data error. Again, the data error could be another sources of risk, where the information system in everyday life could be it could be frequently made changes, or our data could have an incorrect information, like for example incorrect numbers or incorrect addresses could be there, and like you want something different and you are getting an error information. It could be because of your operator's error, or it could be because of any certain hacking of the information and accidental disclosures of information. If accidentally, what happens, the unauthorized person you see or use the information which is being stored. Okay, the damage of physical facilities. Damage of physical facilities, it could be because of the environmental threats in external environments, because of the fire, floods or earthquake. Your computer and your telecommunication equipments may disabled by power failures or network breakdowns also, like as we have seen for the hardware malfunctions, could be because of your physical facilities. So यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, security can be ruined because of certain threats and attacks. Could be because of the human beings, could be because of the not proper working of the hardware. Software bugs could be implemented, could come into the computer, which may harm the information, and the results may be not appropriate because of the which result in the freezing of computers and hanging of computer systems or any of the devices which you are using. Data error, the wrong information may be in store, or may be hacked by the unauthorized person. Accidental disclosure of information to the unauthorized person, it could be basically because of the widespread usage of web, widely spreading your information. May this increase the risk of accidental disclosure of the information to the people who is not authorized to the information. Okay, the damage of physical facilities, as I told you, because of the earthquake, fire or any electrical power cut down or network issues. Okay, now these are some of the security threats and attacks. ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ पर वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट दी नीड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट सर्टेन थ्रेड्स नीड्स, ज़रूरत क्या है और क्या क्या चीज़ें हमारी इंफॉर्मेशन को लाइक लीक कर रही है या फिर माई इंफॉर्मेशन इज़ नॉट बीइंग सिक्योर. ओके, दिस आर द टू थिंग्स, बेसिक टू थिंग्स. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज़ योर malicious software or malware. Okay, well, first of all let me explain you what is malicious. Malicious here it means that like intended like where you are like you are harming your things, intended to harm, मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो ख़राब कर सकती है. Okay, which may harm the things. Okay, so intended software is also called as malware, which is as I told you something which is going to harm your system, something which is going to like harm your security of the information. Okay, now let us few of the categories of malicious software is your viruses, worms, and adware of spyware, rootkits, and trapdoors. Okay, coming to the like malicious software, it is basically used by the hackers to to get the information or to take the information from the authorized person illegally. And it is basically, this malicious software refers to the program that is causing a harm to the computers which is used by the hackers. Okay, this malicious software attack the computers or any kind of network or websites by using in the form of viruses, worms, and it could be Trojan, spyware, adware, or rootkits, or could be your adware or trapdoors. Trapdoors are also called as your backdoors, है ना. यहाँ पर malicious software is basically used by the hackers. जो ये चीज़ें, ये सारी चीज़ों के थ्रू वो लोग क्या करते हैं, they hack the information, they take down the information which makes your information insecure. Okay, which is being used by the unauthorized person. Okay, in the form of viruses. Coming to the very first, that is your viruses. Viruses is a special type of Trojans. Trojans is again a kind of it is a type of malicious software which is useful by the hackers to to hack the information. So viruses is again a kind of ट्रोजन. जैसा कि वायरसेस बेसिकली क्या होता है कि अगर आप बायोलॉजिकल टर्म में पढ़ोगे तो इट रेप्लिकेट मतलब वेन एवर इट इज़ बीन इंसर्टेड, मतलब अपनी बॉडी में जब भी वो इंसर्ट होता है इट स्टार्ट रेप्लिकेटिंग, मतलब 1 से 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8, इस तरीके से वो लोग क्या होता है, इट स्टार्ट रेप्लिकेटिंग. इन द सेम वे व्हाट हैपन्स, this viruses when it is being used by hackers, when it get inserted into the computers or any mobile phone, when you download certain applications, it start replicating. And this replicated viruses, what they do, they try to trap all the information from your computers and from your mobile phones. So again, the viruses according to the biological term, it replicates in our body. In the same way, when viruses in the term of technology, इसको viruses नाम इसीलिए दिया गया है क्योंकि it start replicating and trapping the information. जिस तरह से एक biological term वायरस जब अपनी बॉडी में एंटर होता है वो replicate होता है 1 से 4, 4 से 8 इस तरीके से होकर it start spoiling our body, harming our body. In the same way, when this certain malicious software that enter into the computer, it is going to replicate and it is going to trap all the information and harm the computer. इसीलिए उसे नाम दिया गया है viruses. फिर आएगा आपके worms. Okay, worms, here what happens is in this if I'm talking about worms, it is a kind of thing which is self replicating. जिस तरह से viruses है, it self replicate. malware है, malicious malware and malicious software is one and the same. Okay, even this both are getting replicated into the computer system, like sending a certain जिस तरीके से रेप्लिकेशन बोल सकते हो आप बायोलॉजिकल टर्म में, तो यहाँ पर आप बोलोगे कि इट इज़ सेंडिंग यू अ कॉपीज ऑफ a certain information which is helping you to harm the computers. Okay, so worms and viruses are unlike each other, and it is helpful for it is getting replicated and targeting the computers, and which is also modifying the information. जैसे कि viruses सिर्फ trap कर रहा है information, लेकिन worms what they do, they modify the information. They try to they try to make a changes into the information or the data which is stored. ठीक है, समझ आई. viruses और worms. malicious software मतलब ऐसी चीज़ें जो हैकर्स की से यूजुअली ब्लैक हेड हैकर्स जो आप बोलते हो वो लोग यूज़ करते हैं ये सारी चीज़ें टू ट्रैक द इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टू मेक अ मॉडिफिकेशन और चेंजेस इनटू द इंफॉर्मेशन बाय रेप्लिकेटिंग और सेंडिंग द कॉपीज व्हेन यू डाउनलोड एनी सर्टेन एप्लीकेशंस. ठीक, इफ़ यू सी एक कोई एप्लीकेशन आप जब डाउनलोड करते हो तो आपको एक मैसेज आया था कि दिस इज़ वेरी हार्मफुल, दिस पर्टिकुलर फाइल इज़ हार्मफुल फॉर यू, फॉर योर डिवाइस. That is nothing but it is giving you an alert. That is a kind of security which is provided by your computer applications. ठीक. फिर आएगा आपका एडवेयर. ओके, एडवेयर एंड स्पाईवेयर like it is a kind of malicious software which is seeks the like embedded themselves. मतलब वो लोग जब भी कोई आप एप्लीकेशन, ऐसा एप्लीकेशन जिसकी वजह से हमारे कंप्यूटर या डिवाइसेस को हार्मफुल हो, जब आप डाउनलोड करोगे तो स्टार्ट एम्बीडेड. एम्बीडेड मतलब जिस तरीके से एम्बीडेड मतलब वाटरमेलन में जिस तरीके से सीड्स एम्बीडेड रहते, लाइक बेसिकली कहीं भी फैले हुए रहते ना, उसी तरीके से क्या होता है, व्हेन यू डाउनलोड इट स्टार्ट मूविंग थ्रू आउट योर like certain application software which are there into your computer devices, computer systems and other technical devices which you are using. It get embedded and it start trapping the information, है ना, कि it is start acting upon the data, मतलब वो it get embedded upon the data. ठीक है ना. तो like adware and spyware it get embedded over the data and trap. embedded मतलब फैल जाना. Next is your rootkits. rootkits मतलब यहाँ पर they seek the here what is happening, it is having a full access of your machine to attackers to what they want to do. मतलब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि like it is completely tracking your computer system. एक certain application या data नहीं, बल्कि पूरी तरीके से what they do, they track and they keep that they see whatever you are doing on your computer devices, है ना. तो rootkits is a certain kind of that kind of malicious software. ट्रैप डोर, आई टोल्ड यू बैक डोर भी बोलते हैं इसे, क्योंकि ये ट्रैप डोर और बैक डोर्स इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ सीक्रेट एंट्री पॉइंट. मतलब आप सीक्रेटली यूर एंटरिंग टूवर्ड्स अ सर्टेन प्रोग्राम एंड यू आर एक्सेसिंग द system. That is the reason it is saying trapdoor or a backdoor. Trapdoor are generally installed in an affected computers. मतलब trapdoor usually ऐसे affected computers पे store होता है which is running the insecure kind of Microsoft any applications, Microsoft के applications, है ना. तो ये है malicious software और malwares. Malicious software used by hackers to intentionally harm anyone's computer devices, है ना. तो इसकी categories है viruses, worms. It is unlike each other, same है ये, replicate हो रहे हैं and again it is modifying the information, changing the information and also it is like tracking the information. Adware and spyware, it is acting as in what I can say is that it is getting embedded towards the data. Rootkits it is again accessing full computer device or any kind of technical device. Trapdoor, backdoor एक entry point है, secret entry point है, through that it is entering into the program and what it is affecting the computers. ठीक, these are the malicious software and malware. In the next class we will be discussing about hacking. Okay, a small discussion about the hacking and security.